In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page name in Looker Studio. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do it effortlessly. First, let's start by heading over to Looker Studio. You can easily access Looker Studio through your browser by navigating to the platform's homepage. Once there, you'll find a variety of tools at your disposal to create and customize your reports and dashboards. Now, once you're in Looker Studio, the next step is to click on the report that contains the page you'd like to rename. This will open up all the details of your report, letting you dive into the specifics. From here, keep moving forward by choosing the Edit option. The Edit function is your gateway to modifying various aspects of your report, offering you the flexibility to adjust and customize according to your needs. Once you're in Edit mode, the next thing you want to do is click on Page at the top of your screen. This is where you manage all the pages within your report. It's important to remember that every report can have multiple pages, hence ensuring you're on the correct page for renaming is essential. After clicking on Page, you'll then proceed to select Manage Pages. This option will show you a list of all the pages currently included in your report. Managing pages allows you to reorganize, add, remove, or in our case, rename any of the pages you've created. Once you've identified the page you want to rename, look for the three-dot icon usually found in a column next to each page name. Clicking on this icon brings up a little menu. It's a useful drop-down that provides several options for what you can do with your page. In this case, you'll see an option that says Rename. Select Rename, and you will then be able to input a new name for your page. Be sure to make the name unique and descriptive enough to reflect the content or purpose of the page. Having a clear naming convention will help you later, especially as your report grows in complexity. Completing this action changes the page's name to whatever you've chosen. Once that's done, make sure to save your changes to ensure everything is updated correctly. And that's it, you've successfully renamed a page in Looker Studio. Remember, renaming pages can be a powerful way to organize your reports more effectively. Don't hesitate to use this feature whenever you need to update or clarify your page titles. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process.